Kelly Henson with Texas KK Realty. I'm going to be spotlighting some of the businesses here in Tioga. Join me on YouTube. Check them out. Let's support them. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Garcia. I am the daughter of Luis Garcia, owner of Garcia's Car Wash. My role here at the car wash is working everything in the office for him, having everything organized for him, but I'm also outside detailing cars, and we do a little of everything. We do trailers, horse trailers, inside and out, acid wash, polish, detail cars, trucks, boats, just a little about everything. My dad started this business in 2017. He wanted a family-run business, so usually here in the office. You can find me outside as well, and it's all family-owned here. I also do hand wash on cars, hand wax, like a wash and a wax on trucks. It runs from 100 to 120. We do bigger packages, full details, detail inside and out, make it look brand new again. Trucks is 220, and then just cars is 160. Really depends on the condition of the vehicle, but it's not too expensive. And you can always call us, set up an appointment a day before, a week before, just whenever you know you want to go ahead and have your car detail, your boat, your truck, your trailer. Yeah, we do basically everything. We do side-by-sides, we do jet skis, excavators, trailers, polish, acid wash. We do about anything. We can always give you a price by phone. You can stop by and we can give you more information.
Hi, in conclusion, this is Kelly Henson with Texas KK Realty, and I hope you enjoyed the spotlight of the business here in Tioga I did today. I'll be doing some more in the future, so let's support these businesses out here in Tioga, Texas. Here's my information. Call me. Let's connect. Have a great day. Thanks.
Hola, mi nombre es Garcia. Soy hija del dueño Luis Garcia, de aquí de Garcia's Car Wash. Hemos estado aquí desde el 2017 y hacemos de todo. Hacemos carros, botes, trocas, detallado completo, detallado por fuera, nada más lo básico, lavado. Hacemos de todo lo que usted necesite lo hacemos. Nos puede llamar para agendar una cita, o nos puede llamar ese mismo día para ver si tenemos cupo para hacer su vehículo. Pues hacemos de todo, así es que no tenga vergüenza de hablar y hacer una cita. Gracias.